It doesn't make sense. You didn't want to
So fast.
I feel bad for him. I understand why he did it, but it's still no excuse. I felt like he was just saying what I wanted to hear.
He's gonna get you.
True.
He talks back.
Did he hear? He went like...